Hey teachers, I just wanted to show you an example of um, how to organize your math for this coming school year. So I have created a homepage, and for all of my courses I have in Canvas, this is the same homepage. So if ever my students click on home, this is where they are taken. So, and then each of these down here are a button. These two aren't yet, but they will be for the modules page in that course. So, for example, if my students wanted to come in and see our homeroom, which is where I will train them to go, they'll see our announcements and then kind of our week at a glance. And then if they click home again, it will take them back to here. And then maybe they click on math. And this is what I wanted to show you. This is how I plan on organizing mine. I'm sure it will change throughout the year, but I plan on organizing it by the week. So I did it that first full week just to kind of show you how it would look. I plan on putting my fluency at the top, and again, probably put a video there. Remember, this is for the whole week. Do 3 problems a week, or spend 10 minutes a day on this and see how many you can complete in 10 minutes. You could choose how to do that, but that's for the whole week. So I left it up there. And then I put just a text header. So if you go here and edit, I just did text header for the dates. So I have Monday, and again, a new text header, lesson one. I could indent that if I wanted. Um, and then here's spiral review for them to do, and then their lesson, their practice, and their exit ticket. So that's what they would need to do on Monday. And then Tuesday, same thing, text header, and then the spiral review lesson, practice, and the exit ticket. And then the next lesson is really long. It's add, subtract, multiply, and divide decimals. So I would probably add a page, now that I'm looking at it and thinking about it, add a page underneath lesson 3 or underneath Wednesday that says this is a long lesson. It should take you about 3 days to complete. If you have questions, let me know, because it does cover all of those. So, usually in class, when I teach this, I spend 1 day on add and subtract together in the same day, and then 1 day separate by itself for multiply, and then 1 day, maybe 2 days separate on dividing decimals. So I love the weekly layout. It's going to be easy for students. And then when we finish this week, and my PLCs are on my planning time, I plan on just adding another module, and I would name it the next week, September, and I'm not sure, 6th through the 10th. I'm just going to make that up. I'm sure it's wrong. And it adds the modules to the bottom. I prefer to have my newer modules at top. So I'm just going to click move module, and I'm going to put at the top so that it's at the top. And then I could create my same text headers. Now the great thing is if I do text header, oh, I thought it would let me copy it, but it won't. Then I could put that there. Or I could come down here and duplicate the text headers. Nope, can't duplicate them. I guess you're just going to have to add them. And then import the work. This is my fake math account. I am going to use my student to create a real math Canvas course and a fake math Canvas course. And I plan in my fake one to just dump everything from the fellows into it. And then I can import it into my real math one as I need it. And I might not use everything every week. So that way I have kind of the choice of what I want to use. So I hope this gives you kind of an idea. Now remember, I've linked my homepage, so if they click home, it goes back to my overall homepage. And I've locked down the things that my students can see. My students can only see these things when they're in student view. The home tab, the modules tab, which is this, right? And their grades. I've locked everything else down because I don't want them to get confused if they click on assignments. They're only going to see things that are assignments. They're not going to see quizzes. They're not going to see pages that I add in there. So I've just locked it down so it's very minimal things that they can click on over here. And then they click home and it takes them back home.